Hi guys, it's me, Night Cheong from Carpenter Design Group. Behold the latest completed project, a 4-room resale condominium that was transformed into a luxury apartment. We fitted the ceiling with footed panel for a cozy, adventurous forest feel. We designed a seamless storage unit that stretches across the length of the apartment, highlighting the 75-inch TV. We created a magical galaxy-inspired corridor by scattering LED lights across the ceiling. Our kitchen island doubles up as a dining area, perfect for hosting parties and gathering. As a bonus, our wine chiller is accompanied by a secret door that can conceal and display its collections. It was an absolute joy designing this luxury themed home, and many design details have gone into the project. Thank you for watching.